Hello people, so this is my second video of the day and people, I'm shooting this video just soon after coming back from work and today there was like a crazy day. I walked a distance of easily 5 kilometers today, and besides my regular 9 to 5 job that I have. And but anyway people, so like you all know, of late I've been harassing people on the metro train to get them to subscribe to my channel. And uh, I have to say this, as of today I met this, she's such a charming doctor, her name, I'll say it also, it was Dr. Bhargavi. And she's in her final year of MBBS, and she's looking to become cardiology is a field that she wants to venture into, because her mom was had some heart related issues. So I mean, it's been a long time since I've been so impressed with someone as I was with her today. So Bhargavi, in case I met you on the train today, and in case you're watching this video, I have to say that wow, I'm your fan. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about what had told me, that that she wants to take up cardiology because she had seen her mom suffer. I mean, how many of us, you know, we see our parents go through rough times, and it's like, okay, it registers. And like, my mom passed away from cancer, so sometimes I don't know. I A very close friend of mine is cancer researcher in UK. Her name's Erica Nathan. In case she's watching this video, but seriously, yeah, people, this is like a salute to all these amazing souls who make such a big difference. It's rare. you know so on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.